There are many places to get a COVID-19 vaccine. Zorn Arena Clinic is one of them. This video will show you what to expect when coming to the Zorn Arena Clinic. Some things you need to know. The vaccine is free for everyone. Proof of insurance, ID, or citizenship is not required. Immigration agencies are not allowed on vaccination campus or healthcare facilities. You might be wondering where to park when you get to the Zorn Arena Vaccine Clinic. Parking is on campus. Watch for signs directing you to parking lots near Zorn Arena. No permits are required. From the parking lot, there are signs to show you where to go next. There is a drive-up option for individuals or groups who need someone to come to their vehicle. When you are walking up to the Zorn Clinic, you may notice there are police or National Guard present. They are here because National Guard members have been helping with the response and vaccination process, and they provide safety for the public in the event of an emergency. Immigration is not allowed at any vaccination center. No one will ask you about your immigration status at this clinic or any clinic. There are 2 lines at the front of Zorn Arena, one for walk-ins and one for people who have signed up ahead of time. Appointments and walk-ins are welcome. If someone makes an appointment in advance, you can tell us if you need to be vaccinated in your car or need an interpreter. There is a sign for someone to indicate the language they speak. If someone is not able to schedule ahead of time and there is not a translator on site, we will use the language line to walk you through your appointment. A screener will ask you if you have any current COVID-19 symptoms and check temperature and direct you to the next station. There are people stationed along the way to help direct you where to go once you enter the building. You will need to sign a consent form for the vaccine you receive. People under 18 will need a parent to consent to the vaccination. Parents may need to be present as well, or nurses will call parents. You will be asked personal information, such as your mother's maiden name. We ask this to make sure that we have the right person in case someone else has the same name. You will be given the information about the vaccine and vaccine safety. A nurse will see you and deliver the vaccine. Be sure to wear a short sleeve shirt or have access to your upper arm. You should plan for a 15-minute wait after vaccination to monitor for reactions to the vaccine. VSafe is a website that allows you to record any symptoms you have after vaccination. These might be fatigue, tiredness, a headache, or a sore arm. Based on the vaccine you receive, you may need to schedule your second dose before leaving. Keep your vaccination card for your next appointment. There may also be stickers or buttons available for you to show that you are vaccinated. For more COVID-19 information, visit www.covid19eauclair.org or call COVID-19 Call Center for Eau Claire County 715-831-7425.